So welcome everyone. So it is a continuation for the previous video. So binary tree operations. So it is the fifth series in this binary operation. So in the binary previous operations, what previous operation videos, what we have done, how we have represented a binary trees by with the help of arrays and linked list, and the traversal method. What are the different traversal methods we have in the binary trees, or we are using in the binary trees? We have discussed the basics of traversals. We have discussed. So what are those? Pre-order, in order, and post order. Okay, so in the pre-order, the first I will visit the root, next left, and next right child. In the in order, first I will visit the left child, after that I will visit root child, and next I will visit right child. In the post order, first I will visit the all the childs, so left and right, then after I will go to the root. So like this I have to do. So in the previous videos we have discussed how we have done a pre-order and in-order in the previous lectures. Alright. So if it is a pre-order, first I will visit the root node, then I will visit complete left binary tree or subtree, and then after I will go to the right subtree. Okay. So in that process, if I have done the traversal for this particular graph, sorry, for particular tree by using the pre-order, my order value is 6, 4, 2, 1, 3, and 8, 7, 10, 9, 11. It will be like this. So first root, then left with left child, after that right child. Like this I will do. If it is a in order, first I will traverse a complete left subtree, then after I will visit root child, then I will visit the right child. So for that same tree, if I have done in the in order, so how I can do that one? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So first I will visit the left, then I will visit the root, then I will visit the right child. Okay. So like this I have to do if it is a pre or in, and if it is a post, then what I have to do? So in this, first I will visit complete left subtree, then I will visit complete right subtree, then I will visit the root. Okay. Now let's see the process in one step, one by one. So if it is my tree, so 2, 1, 3. So first what I have to do? First I have to visit a left child. So that is 1. Then I have to visit a right child. That is 2. So 1 and next 2. After that I have to visit the parent node. So 1, 3, 2. So 3 I have is 1, 3, 2. Like that I have to visit it for each and every node in a complete tree. Now let's take the same tree. So what we have used in the in order and pre-order. So the same tree I'm going to use here also. So if I'm taking the same tree for suppose if in this manner. So first what I have to do, I have to check where is the root. So if you check the root is a 6. So 6 is the root. Then after I'm checking whether 6 has any left child or not. Yes, it has a left child. So I have to go to the left subtree. So that subtree is 4, 2, 1, 3. So in this subtree, the 4 is the root node. Can I visit the 4? No. Again, I have to check whether 4 has any left subtrees or not. If you see 4 has some left subtree, that is 2, 1, 3. 2, 1, 3. Okay. Now again I am checking whether this 2, 1, 3, this 2 sub has any left sub or not. Until how many times I have to do this process? If I am using a post order, so that means if I want to use visit a first left child, first if I want to visit a left child, then I have to do this process until I found the left subtree last element. Until I have found the left subtree last element, I have to do this process. If I have if I have visited the last node in the left subtree, next I am checking whether it has any childs or not. Why? Because it is a post order. First I have to check whether it is a left or right childs are available or not. If those are not available, then I will visit. If available, then if I have to visit first left and right childs. After visiting the child, then only I will visit the root. Am I right? So in this, if you take the 1 doesn't have any childs, so I can visit the 1 directly. Now my traversal order is 1. Next, what I have to do, so 1 doesn't have any childs, so I can go to the parent of 1. So I am going to the parent of 1, that is 2. But if you see here, can I visit 2? No, why? Because 2 has some right childs. In the post order, I have to visit the right child also before going to visit root. So I am going to the right child of 2. So what is right child? 3. I am checking here, is 3 has any subchilds? No. So if 3 doesn't have any subchilds, that means I can visit the 3 directly. Now I am visiting 3. So after visiting the 1, now I have visited 3. Now I have visited 3. Okay, 3 completed. Then I am moving to the 3 to the parent node. What is 3 parent node? 2. Now I have moved to the 2. So if you check 2 left subchilds, right subchilds, both are visited. So I can visit 2. Now I have visited 2. And after visiting this subtree, so this subtree, this entire this subtree 2, 1, 3, this subtree is completed. So it has to shift to the upper subtree. So what is upper subtree? 4, 2, 1, 3. Am I right? The upper subtree is 4, 2, 1, 3. So in this also, the 4 is the main root node. I am checking whether the 4 left and right subchilds are visited or not. If you see here, the left subchild is completely visited, but right subchild, it doesn't have any right subchild. So I can visit the 4 directly. If I have any right subchild, then I have to visit the 4 first. Sorry, first right subchild, then I have to visit the 4. So now right childs are not available for 4, so I can directly visit the 4 here. Now I am visiting the 4, now my traversal is 1, 3, 2, 4. So first 1 and 3, 2, 4. Okay, now this subtree is completed, then I am moving to the next level, the before level. Okay, so what is that before level? Before level is nothing but it is a root node. So root node, first can I visit the root node? No. First I have to left visit, next I have to visit right. So left subtree is completely visited, then I have moved to the right subtree, that is 8, 7, 10, 9, 11. So can I visit 8? No. So 8 has some left subtree. So first I have to visit the subtree. So this process is continuously goes on. So first I have visited, I have to check whether it has a left subtree or not. If it has a left subtree, I have to visit. Then I have to check whether it has a right subtree, or if it has a right subtree, I have to visit it. After completion of subtrees, then only I will visit the root node. So in the 8, I am checking the 7 has some subtree. 7 is a left subtree. So I have to visit 7. So 7 doesn't have any childs. So I can directly visit 7. So now my traversal is, so 1, 3, 2, 4, 7. 1, 3, 2, 4, 7. This is the way I can go to the traversal. Okay, so okay, now it is completed, then I'm moving to the parent node. So that is 8. Is 8 I can visit? No. Why? Because 8 has some right subtree. So that right subtree is 10, 9, 11. So in the 10, 9, 11 also, 10 is the parent node, 9 is the left subtree, 11 is the right subtree. So before going to visit 8, I have to visit 10. But can I visit 10 directly now? No. Why? Because 10 has some left childs and right childs. So if 10 has childs, I have to visit the childs first. So now before going to visit the 11, so first I am going to come to the left subchild of a 10. So left subchild, that means 9. Now I came to the 9. If you check the 9, 9 doesn't have any subchilds, so I can directly visit the 9. So 1, 3, 2, 4, 7, 9. 1, 3, 2, 4, 7, 9. Then I am moving to my parent node. So what is the parent node? 9th parent node is 10. Can I visit 10? No. Why? Because 10th right child is not visited. So I need to move to the right child. So if that right child is 11, so 11 doesn't have any child, so I can visit the 11. So 1, 3, 2, 4, 7, 9, 11 now. After completion of this, so now this subtree, 11 subtree is completed. So then I can go to the upper subtree. So what is that upper subtree? 10, 9, 11 is the upper subtree. In the subtree, 10 is the root node. So can I visit 10 now? Yes, I can visit. Why? Because the left child 9 is visited and right child 11 is visited. So I can visit the 10 here. I can visit 10 here. So 1, 3, 2, 4, 7, 9, 11, 10. So after completion of this subtree, I move to the previous one. So in the previous one, 8 is the main node. In the main node, if I check here, 7 is visited and the right child 10, 9, 11 also visited. So I can directly visit the 8. I can directly visit the 8. And the next, after completion of this, it is going to the upper level. That upper level is 6. 6 is the root node. If you check here, 6 is the root node. In this 6, the left subtree is completely visited and the right subtree is completely visited. So I can directly now visit the root node, that is 1, 3, 2, 4, 7, 9, 11, 10, 8, 6. Now, in the final process, I have visited the root node 2 times. Once I have visited the left subchain. After left subchild, I have visited right. But can I visit now? No. Why? Because right child is not visited. So directly I forwarded the process to the right subchild. After completion of right subchild, it again came to the root node. Now it is checking whether left and right is completed. Yes, it is completed. Then only it is coming to the root node. So after coming to the root node again second time, or it is coming from the right child, then it can directly visit. Now if you visit it here, now the final process of this subtree is 1, 3, 2, 4, 7. So first I will visit 1, 3, 2, 4, next 7, 9, 11, 10, 8, 6. Like that I have to visit if my order is, if my traversal is a post order traversal. Okay, so these are the traversal methods. So traversal is nothing but I have to check or search each and every node in that particular node, a particular tree according to my requirement. So my requirement is depending upon pre-order, in-order, post-order. Where I have, first I have to visit depth. So that means if I want to visit the left or right, or if I want to visit the first root node, these circumstances will depend upon these three basics. Okay. Now if you see here, I am searching a left child and right child. For suppose if I have a normal tree, what can I do? So see here, if I have a normal tree contains any number of childs. So in that I cannot what I specifically specify that it is a left child, it is a right child. I cannot specify like that. Am I right? So if particularly if one node has a 4 subchilds, 4 childs, how can I say it is a left child, it is a right child? For suppose if I have divided the 2 also, how can I define which can be visited first? So in those cases, I can use another traversal method. That traversal method is called as a level order traversal. Level order traversal. So what is level order? As you know from the starting classes in the tree terminology, level is nothing but, so you have to give the numbering to the each and every row of a tree. So each and every node contains, a row contains some nodes. Okay. Now, so at the root node, I will give you as the first row, I will give you as a level 0. Then the root node childs will come as a level 1. So after those childs will come as a level 2. So level 0 to, I have to give the level numbering to the up to the last row. Like that I have to give. Okay. So in this level order, so in the name itself it is saying leveling order. So first I have to visit the first level, then I have to visit second level, third level, fourth level, fifth level. Like that I have to. Okay. In the level also, how can I check? Can I visit the nodes randomly? No. In the level also, the visiting must be in a proper manner. What is the manner? From left to right, I have to visit. From the left to right, I have to visit. So I am the size, each and everything. First size I am checking in this algorithm. So that's why it can say a breadth first search. Breadth first search. Okay. Now, for suppose if it is my graph 4, 6, 8, in this if I want to visit each and every node by using a level order. Now for the first level is 6. So first I will visit 6. The second level is, so that means the 0th level 6. After visiting the 0th level, then I will visit the first level, that is 4 and 8. So 6, 4, 8 is my traversal. All right. So I'm taking my regular tree. Now if I want to visit, So first level 06, level 148, level 3, level 2, 277, level 3, 139 level. So first I am visiting the first level 6 and the 4, 8, 2, 7, 10, 1, 3, 9 level. Like that I will visit if it is a level order. So I have to visit level by level. In the level also I have to visit from left to right. Okay. So like this I have to done the traversal operations in the binary tree. Okay, these operations can be used for other trees also, but right now we are using the binary tree, so that's why I have explained by with the help of binary trees. So in the next classes we will discuss the other operations. Up to now we have discussed the binary tree operations. Those are the representation and traversal, but we haven't discussed anything about insertion or deletion processes. We haven't discussed it up to now. So in the later classes, we will discuss about insertion of elements in a binary tree and deletion of elements in a binary tree. Thank you.